Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will explain about the Quizlet application. Quizlet is a multinational American company which creates and design tools used for studying and learning. Quizlet primary products include digital flashcard, matching games, practice electronic assessment, and live quizzes. Okay, all you have to do is type Quizlet in your search field like this. Now here a menu from the Quizlet application will appear, such as login, sign up, search, live, create, and many others. Well, here I will click login because previously I have registered, but don't worry, I will still show you how to register or sign up. In here you can log in with a Google account, Facebook account, or with your Apple account. Or you can just type your username or password and just log in here. And now to register, you just have to click on the sign up and the registration format will appear. You can register via a Google account or Facebook account. So here you can fill in your month, date, and year of birth. Then below that you write your email and the username and password you want and click register. Well, here I will log in using a Google account like this. Choose your Gmail and click next and then enter your password. After that, the Quizlet application window will appear like this. In this section, there is an explanation, folder, and here are some example of the set that I made yesterday. Now, here, the set of teaching materials will appear. The set of teaching materials is like this. Here are some questions that I have met. Then a folder, the function of which is to store all the materials that have been created. And then you can create a class in here. Next is an explanation. On this menu, you can look for explanation, books, or answer about the material you are studying. And now, we will immediately create a new set. You just click on this one, then a display like this will appear. This time, I will make a set of vocabulary. So, here I write vocabulary. Vocabulary. At below, you can add a definition like this, for example. You can also add document or PDF about the material you will teach here. Next is you can add a cover image in here. In this section, you can write the vocabulary you want. For the first number, I'll write makeup. Here I wrote makeup. Then several choice of words will appear. You just choose the word you want. Next, in definition section, I choose Indonesian. Like this. And automatically several choice offer will appear like this. You can also add pictures or image. You just need to click on this and several pictures will appear related to the word that was written earlier. So let's choose this one. Further number 2 and so on with the same method. I will make a 10. If you're finished, you just click done and your set of teaching materials has been complete. Here are some menus. The first is flashcard. Now the flashcard looks like this. You just click the word and the original will appear. And the second is write. On this menu, you will write vocabulary from the image or what is displayed like this. So here I will write call, cook, read, drink, cough, stand up, sell, eat, think, sing. Okay, next is the speller. Next is speller. In this session, the system will mention the vocabulary and you write it like this.
Cook.
Cook.
Think. Think.
This is think. Just write think in here like this.
Sell.
Sell.
Cough.
Cough.
Stand up. Drink.
Then here is a test. In the first question, a picture and vocabulary will be shown, so we will answer whether the picture match the vocabulary or not. There are also multiple choice question and match like this. We just match the word with the picture and definition like this. Right. And cough in here. And this is the result of your test. Here there is also a game menu. The first is matching. It will looks like this. Start game. You just need to draw the correct vocabulary image like this. Okay. Like this. And your game is finished. And the next is graffiti name. In this game, it will be display a space theme like this. Click start. You can choose the level and choose off language here. I choose a random. Well, and start the game. There will be a rock or material written in vocabulary, so all you have to do is answer the meaning of the word, like this. If you got it wrong, you just repeat the meaning like this, and the games will continue. Well, this application is very fun and interactive application. This application can increase children's interest in learning, and there are many learning modes to choose from. I hope my video is useful and can help all my friends. Thank you so much for watching. I think that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.